Good news! The days of waking up to a barrage of ad-filled notifications for Samsung Galaxy users may finally be over. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech updates. Leaks about One UI 8.5 suggest that Samsung is introducing a game-changing feature to tackle the nightmare of excessive ads spamming your phone. According to tipster Tarun Vats, the new tool hidden in device care is called Block Apps with Excessive Ads and promises to put notification-loving apps in deep sleep. That means no more pop-ups, banners, or annoying pings unless you actually open the app. The system reportedly works in two modes. The basic setup targets apps Samsung's already flagging as spammy, automatically putting them into deep sleep. The more advanced intelligent blocking mode scans your notifications in real time to identify offending ads, although it may occasionally make mistakes, requiring a quick manual setting. Either way, it'll declutter your lock screen and notification bar. This feature is part of One UI 8.5, Samsung's upcoming upgrade that will also add the newest Android 16 features. While full details aren't out yet, the leaks say the company is taking user feedback seriously, especially complaints from Galaxy users frustrated by endless notification spam. If Samsung nails this, Galaxy owners could finally enjoy one of the most satisfying upgrades to Android in years and free themselves from pointless notifications. And if intelligent blocking works as it said, it might just rival some of the best privacy tools seen in Android phones from China, keeping your device clean and your mind less cluttered. One UI 8.5 isn't just an update. It could be the end of notification chaos on Galaxy devices. Are you annoyed by notifications? For more updates, like this video, comment, and subscribe to GadInsider.